My front tire is a kenda tire. Don't know what kind it is. Stock forks, stock hub, diamondback peg. I spray painted green. Standard headset in the bottom and integrated on the top. The reason why I have a standard headset in the bottom is because my integrated one like cracked and the shell cracked and stuff, and it was weird. So I had to put in my old standard headset from my old bike, and that's why that's right there. Kink launch frame, 20.5 top tube with a kink seat post, Eastern Medusa light forged sprocket, KMC chain, stock tire and peg, and cassette. Yep, there's my wheels. They're Odyssey twisted, glow-in-the-dark green, and I give this bike the entire bike a stock bike when you buy it brand new. 8 out of 10 because of the crappy sprocket and the crappy grips. Oh, I forgot. Proper grips with proper bar ends. Got them in clear. And, yep, stem, midtown bars for the win. And that's my bike check / review. And I'm eating the camera.